The full name of UFO is Unidentified Flying Object, which means UFO sightings. In the past days, UFO sightings on the Earth can be said to be endless, and a very small part of them have not been convincing explanations so far. Some people speculate that these UFOs may be flying vehicles for extraterrestrial intelligent creatures. Since there are no extraterrestrial intelligent creatures in the solar system, if these UFOs are really vehicles for extraterrestrial intelligent creatures, they should come from outside the solar system. It has to be said that this is a very fascinating guess, so we might as well analyze theoretically, what kind of power system is used by the UFO that can fly through the vast universe to the Earth. 1. UFO's power system should have functions. The distance in the universe is easily calculated in light years. Even the closest star to the Earth is 4.22 light years away, and the farthest human probe, Voyager 1, took more than 40 years. It only flew about 0.0024 light years in time. Therefore, a reasonable guess is that the speed of these UFOs in the universe should be much faster than that of human aircraft, and they are likely to be very close to the speed of light, or even exceed the speed of light. On the other hand, UFOs that can attract human attention usually make unimaginable flying actions, such as hovering silently in the air, suddenly accelerating or stopping suddenly, making sharp turns while flying at high speeds, etc. Wait. It can be seen that in addition to being able to travel through the vast universe at extremely high speeds, these UFOs can also ignore the gravity of the Earth and the inertia of objects. Their power system can be said to be far superior to human beings, but this is not beyond human recognition. No, because the speed engine in the theory can achieve these functions. 2. Powerful speed engine. The speed engine only appeared in sci-fi works at first. In 1994, Mexican theoretical physicist Miguel Alcubierre provided a theoretical basis for the speed engine under the category of general relativity, making it as theoretically possible to use this kind of power system for super light speed navigation, so the warp engine is also called the Alcubierre engine. To put it simply, the warp engine can wrap the spacecraft in a warp bubble and shrink the space in front of it, and expand the space behind it, so that the warp bubble can be carried with it. The spacecraft continues to move forward. In this process, the spacecraft is stationary relative to the space within the warp bubble, so it can fly faster than light without violating the theory of relativity. Essentially, the warp engine achieves super light speed by highly bending time and space, and according to general relativity, the essence of gravity is actually the curvature of time and space, so the warp engine only needs to bend time and space in the opposite direction of gravity. Anti-gravity can be achieved, so that the aircraft can easily hover in the air. How does the speed engine eliminate the effect of inertia? Let's look at it next. According to Alcubierre's theory, in order to realize a warp engine, it is necessary to master negative energy. The so-called negative energy is energy lower than energy is zero. From a mathematical point of view, negative energy is negative. Einstein told us that energy and mass are actually different properties of matter. There is a definite equivalent relationship between the two, and they can be converted to each other, E equals mc2. Based on this, we can infer that if there is negative energy with negative energy, there must be negative matter with negative mass, and mastering the speed engine means mastering the use of negative matter. Note, the antimatter we often hear refers to matter that is in the opposite state of ordinary matter, and their mass is also positive like ordinary matter, so antimatter is not negative matter. You can imagine, If you combine an ordinary substance with a mass of 1 gram and a negative substance with a mass of -1 gram, what is their total mass? Yes, their total mass is 0. It is obvious that an object with 0 mass has no inertia. O3 Concluding remarks. Through the above introduction, we can see that the warp engine can not only achieve super light speed flight, but also eliminate the influence of gravity and inertia. Therefore, it can be said that those UFOs that can travel through the vast universe and fly to the Earth use power systems. It's the speed engine. Well, today we will stop here first. Welcome everyone to pay attention to us. We will see you next time.